and she asked me, why am I not using a roll-on? That my armpit is smelling. Ah, Jesus. You can't imagine how embarrassed I felt. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and you're welcome to my Girlie Diary. In this channel, we share beauty, skincare, wellness and lifestyle vlogs, all to help you grow and glow to the best version of yourself. Now, if this is something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Today, we're talking about the feminine hygiene, but I'm going to be making you understand the importance and the power you carry when you maintain a good feminine hygiene. When it comes to the feminine hygiene, it's more than just staying fresh. It's more than smelling clean and sweet. It's more than the perfume, the roll-on, and the looks and stuff like that. It has to do with from the inside. When it comes to maintaining a good feminine hygiene, your mindset is everything. Like the power your mind carries a lot of power. That is why you need to always pay attention to your feminine hygiene, because it would eventually reflect in your mind. When your body feels clean, your mind is at ease. You are not doubting yourself. You are not doubting your confidence. You are not doubting yourself. Now, let me give you an example. Imagine if you are having a conversation with somebody and the person opened his or her mouth to talk, and you notice that the person's mouth is smelling, like the person has mouth odor. How are you going to feel? How would you react? You are going to draw back and you are going to ask yourself, this person does not know that he or she, that the mouth is smelling. Yes. Now imagine what it did to your mind. Imagine how you are going to feel. Talk more of that person. Talk more of the person. Imagine how that thing alone is going to affect the mindset, is going to affect the confidence of that person. Yes, that is how it is when you don't take care of your feminine hygiene. It affects your mind. It affects everything about your confidence. It affects your self-esteem. When you go out, second-guessing yourself. When you go out to places, you are watching yourself. You are trying to smell yourself. You are trying to know if you are smelling. And that alone will affect you. You will not even be concentrated. You will not even be able to function well and give your best, even when you have something that is valuable to speak. Now, moving on to the physical part. The physical part also to do with your confidence. Yes. I remember when I used to work in a salon, that day, you know how salon is. I was washing the customer's hair, and you know how you raise your hand like this and your armpits will be just like in front of the person's nose. So that day, truth be told, my roll-on finished that day, and I said when I closed from work that day, I'm going to go to the market and get a new one. But I was washing this lady's hair, and she told me, like, even before she told me, I noticed that she was, acting somehow, like a bit uncomfortable. And she asked me, why am I not using a roll-on? That my armpit is smelling. Ah, Jesus. You can't imagine how embarrassed I felt. I was so embarrassed that I promised myself that nothing would ever make me not be able to afford a roll-on one, and nothing will ever make me leave my house any day, anytime without applying roll-on. That embarrassment alone, it did something to me. Now that is how it is with your skin. If you are not maintaining a good feminine hygiene, like when it comes to your skin, your look and everything, your confidence is going to drop. Like, you are going to feel insecure each time you come about, each time you go out, or each time you are somewhere. It has something to do with you. Like, it will affect you. It will affect the way you carry yourself. Do you know that there are some persons that get good treatment, like people treat them well, simply because their skin is looking nice? Yes. Simply because they look clean, they are wearing nice dress, they look put together, their hair is kept, their skin is on point, their dress is looking clean and beautiful. Yes, there are some persons that get like good treatment. Like when they enter into a place, people treat them well because they are looking clean. Yes, that is your power as a lady. Proper feminine hygiene isn't just about feeling good. It's about you preventing health issues. Now, let me tell you, when you take your feminine hygiene seriously, you are going to be saving yourself from a lot of medical visits. You're going to be saving yourself from STI. You're going to be saving yourself from hormonal imbalance. You are going to be saving yourself from yeast infections. Yes, you're going to be saving yourself from much trauma. You also save yourself from money. Yes, because when you are visiting hospitals regularly because of one medical issues or the other, you are wasting money. So that is why if you start early and if you do these little things that I'm going to be mentioning in the part 2 of this video, you'll be so thankful and grateful for yourself. Also makes it easier for you when you are trying to conceive. Yes, I know that infertility can also come on its own, but it's not going to be as much as when you already maintaining a good feminine hygiene. It's not going to be as when you have a proper feminine hygiene. If you don't have a proper feminine hygiene, it will be double or even triple when you start having some natural infertility or some natural things that come with woman. Last but not the least, we are going to be looking at the spiritual benefits of maintaining a good feminine hygiene. Yes, because like I said, it's not just about the physical, it's also about the inner, which is the spiritual part of it. Yes. When you maintain a good feminine hygiene, it helps your body and your soul to align together. Now you begin to walk in purpose. You begin to understand the true power and the true beauty of being a woman. Because it's not just about creating children, it's about your intuition, it's about your emotional well-being, and all these things goes hand in hand. So if you are maintaining a good feminine hygiene, you are able to connect your body and your soul together. And it can be little things like journaling. It can be little things like speaking positivity to your body. It can be little things like you praying for your spirit, praying for your body, praying that it will walk in alignment to the will of God. These are all the benefits of maintaining a good feminine hygiene. And trust me, being a woman is so powerful. Every day when you wake up, you should tell God, thank you that I am a woman. Thank you for making me a lady. Thank you for the opportunity of being a woman. It is such a blessing and it is such a privilege to be a woman. Yes, I know it comes with a lot of with stress, but when you understand that you have power as a woman, see, your whole mindset, your whole thought, your whole belief about yourself is going to change, and you begin to appreciate yourself more. You begin to carry yourself with so much grace. That is why I made this video, because I feel like a lot of persons just talk about maintaining a good feminine hygiene, but they don't talk about the importance. They don't make you understand the importance of maintaining a good feminine hygiene. And this video, I believe that after you've watched this video, you are going to understand. You are going to see the power you carry as a woman, and you are going to start tapping into that energy. You are going to start tapping into that power and unlocking the doors of the universe, the doors of positivity, the doors of good things. Like I said earlier, feminine hygiene is beyond staying fresh, smelling clean, and all that. It's about you becoming more connected to your body, more connected to your spirit, and tapping into your higher self. Yes, because there is a higher self of you, but it's just because you haven't found it and you don't even know how to connect with it. That is why you feel like you don't have a power as a woman. You have so much power. If you really enjoyed this video and if this video bless your soul, I'd like you to share this video to someone else. Yes, because you can't learn all these things, you can't get all these good stuff and not want to share it with another sister. Why? So share this video. And yes, I saw that you guys subscribe to my channel. After I pleaded with you guys to subscribe, you guys did, and I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. So if you are seeing this video and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section, and also share this video to a sister, to a friend, so that they will also learn to tap into their feminine energy. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.